embark on an incredible journey to one of the most astonishing feats of human engineering and determination. The Great Wall of China. Spanning over 13,000 miles, this ancient structure is more than just a wall. It's a powerful symbol of the endurance and creativity of the Chinese civilization. The Great Wall of China, or Changcheng in Chinese, which means long wall, was not built all at once. Its construction spanned several dynasties, each contributing to its grandeur. But why was such an immense structure needed in the first place? To understand this, we must journey back to a time of constant conflict. Northern China was frequently invaded by nomadic tribes such as the Xiongnu, who posed a significant threat to the Chinese states. To protect their territories, various Chinese emperors began constructing defensive walls as early as the 7th century BC. The first emperor of a unified China, Qin Shi Huang, is often credited with initiating the construction of what we now consider the Great Wall. In the 3rd century BC, he ordered the linking of existing walls and the building of new sections to fend off invasions. This marked the beginning of the Great Wall as a unified defense system. Building the Great Wall was no small feat. It required the labor of hundreds of thousands of workers, including soldiers, peasants, and prisoners. These laborers toiled under harsh conditions, using rudimentary tools to move and place millions of tons of earth, stone, and bricks. Many lost their lives in the process, giving rise to the wall's nickname, the longest cemetery on Earth. The Great Wall is not a single continuous barrier, but a series of walls and fortifications. Its construction techniques varied depending on the local materials available. In the eastern plains, bricks and stones were used, while in the western deserts, tamped earth and wooden frames were more common. The Great Wall, as we recognize it today, took shape during the Ming Dynasty from 1368 to 1644. The Ming emperors undertook extensive renovations and expansions, transforming the wall into a formidable military defense line. They built watchtowers, signal stations, and garrison posts, creating a sophisticated system for detecting and repelling invaders. Communication along the wall was crucial. Signal fires, lanterns, and flags were used to convey messages across vast distances. This allowed troops to be mobilized quickly in response to threats, demonstrating the strategic brilliance of the wall's design. Today, the Great Wall stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting millions of visitors from around the world. It offers breathtaking views and a tangible connection to China's rich history. Walking along its ancient stones, one can almost hear the echoes of the past, the clatter of armor, the shouts of soldiers, and the relentless determination of the builders. The Great Wall of China is more than just a relic of the past. It is a symbol of human endurance and a reminder of our capacity to achieve the extraordinary. It stands as a bridge between history and the present, inspiring awe and reverence for the generations that came before us. So, next time you think of the Great Wall of China, remember the countless stories it holds within its stones. It is not just a wall, but a monumental achievement that continues to stand the test of time.